Okay, so assertions. Assertions are generally used to check if a certain requirements on or between features and dependencies hold. They look like this: assert E1 and then E2, where E1 is an expression that should evaluate to a Boolean value. If it evaluates to true, E2 is returned. Otherwise, expression evaluation is aborted and the backtrace is printed. So let's try. Here we have a type error since supplied argument is not int. We don't see the backtrace, but this might be a quirk of the tour of Nix. But anyways, so this triggered type error since supplied is not an int. And as we've seen in the last exercise, this needs to be not a string, but an int. And since it's a negative number, we have to use the parentheses. And let's run again. So now we have triggered x has to be 2 or it won't work. And to be 2, it needs to be x equals 2. So the func must be called with the correct x already. And here we call func with n plus 3. And n is minus 2. It should be 2. So this should be minus 1. Because minus 1 plus 3 equals 2. Let's run it again. And that's it. So basically, you have to fix here the string to a negative number, and then you have to adapt here the correct value in the addition. And the 3 is just what's printed or what's returned by the function overall, but we don't check that. So it's actually 5 because because it's combining the 2 plus the 3, and that's the 5. So if this were a 4, it should be 6, right? Yeah, it's 6. Okay, but that's good. So undo, and this is yeah, doesn't matter. Okay, next question.